Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send an ACH payment from your Chase account in 2025. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for simplifying everyday finance tasks. ACH payments are essentially electronic transfers that let you send money directly from your bank account to another, without the hassle of checks or wires. It's secure, fast, and often free, perfect for bills, refunds, or splitting costs with friends. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Chase online banking or mobile app. If you haven't already, download the latest Chase app from your app store for the smoothest experience in 2025. It now features enhanced security like biometric login and AI-assisted transaction previews. Once you're in, head to the Payments or Transfers section. Look for the ACH Transfer option. It's usually right at the top for easy access. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. This includes their bank account number, routing number, and the amount you want to send. Double-check everything here. Typos can delay your payment or send it to the wrong place. Next, select the date for the transfer. Chase lets you schedule it for immediate processing or set it up for a future date, which is great for timing payments just right. Review the summary of your transaction, including any potential fees. Though for most ACH sends from Chase in 2025, they're still fee-free for standard transfers. Hit Confirm and authorize the payment with your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. You'll get an instant confirmation email or notification, so you can track it easily. And that's it, you've just sent an ACH payment. A quick tip: always verify the recipient's info to avoid fraud, and keep an eye on your account balance. If you run into any issues, Chase's 24/7 chat support is a lifesaver. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you soon.